The Election Commission of Pakistan, ECP, has officially unveiled the comprehensive list of candidates for the upcoming general elections scheduled for February 8, 2024. A total of 17,816 candidates have entered the electoral arena, reflecting a diverse mix that includes 4 transgender individuals and a substantial number of women. The breakdown of candidates reveals that for the 266 constituencies of the National Assembly, there are 1,780 male and 93 female candidates representing various political parties. In addition, a notable 3,027 independent candidates have thrown their hats into the ring, comprising 2,219 men, 219 women, and 2 transgenders. The overall count for candidates competing for the general seats of the National Assembly stands at 5,121. Among these contenders, 4,806 are men, 312 are women, and 2 are transgender individuals, emphasizing a diverse representation in the democratic process. Moving to the provincial assemblies, the data indicates that 6,710 candidates will vie for seats in the Punjab Assembly, with 2,878 candidates for the Sindh Assembly, 1,834 candidates, including 2 transgenders, for the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Assembly, and 1,273 candidates for the Balochistan Assembly. In sum, the Commission's current report unveils a total of 12,695 candidates participating in the electoral fray across the 4 provincial assemblies. With the inclusion of the National Assembly, a grand total of 17,816 candidates will be contending for the general seats in both the national and provincial assemblies. The diverse range of candidates signals an active and dynamic political landscape as the country approaches the crucial electoral event.